Welcome back, all of my viewers and all of my subscribers. Hoping I have a blessed day. Welcome back to the trendy dancehall, resume. So this is on the behalf of the news, the latest Jamaica news in Jamaica right now. So please do subscribe if you haven't as yet, resume. Yeah, man. So them soldier arrive on the scene after like the shooting take place, resume. So we're gonna talk about what really got on and after what happened, resume. Alright, so in the first video, me that explain what take place a Spanish town. So this after now, you see me. So the car where people see turned over, it wasn't fired at or nothing like that. You see me. So the officers in the overturned vehicle were not under gunfire. You see me. They were heading to assist the team that was pinned down by gunmen. And so comes them end up crash. You see me, people. So we get that straight from right there. So I'm not sure as yet how comes them come in a clash. You see me, people, but we all know that gunshot was fine at each other, is it? And the gunman them return more fire and some heavy fires than you can see. Cause if you look on the vessel right, you see you can see multiple gunshot hole, you see me. So when you hear somebody say heavily, just know it a shower, you see me. Yeah, man, cause you know police know for take for them cover differently, so that had the vest on the outside and the inside, as you can see, as me, and the vest tear up. And then any and any bullet vest can ease off gun off, as you can see, cause two still were dead, you see. So them say them have a person of interest. So far the people them a collab the picture with the guy and the gun, yeah, you see me. So them say this is a person of interest. I'm not even sure, guys, cause them say this guy is 19. Him don't look 19, but we know the badness go on. You never bleach and certain thing, you see me. It make you look old before time. So them must say him that, and them must say them here say no him that. Him never involved. You see me. Them just have him as a person of interest. So as you can see, them not see nobody with them on two eye. And we know as Jamaican, if somebody in a rat or inform and them something that them can't know. You see me, cause as far as me see them, don't know who them a look for. You see me, then you get me. Guys, if you not enjoy the video, please consider subscribing. You see it, run me go up at a K subs, please, and thanks. You see me, so make we carry on there. So me I pray if another guy there, or if it's him anyways, you see it, like even if them catch him, I don't feel them I gonna send him go to jail. You see me, yo, police, you feel police easy. People that they talk about rare and tear and tear. You see me, so police would kill them one day, beat them one day, and them some of them a friend before him even reaching out the cell, you see me? So right now them on the look as you can see, you see me? So yeah, man. Everybody knows Spanish Town is a dangerous place, you see me? First and foremost, my spirit not take them place there, you see me? And I just saw the thing said. This is somewhere where more for they spend no minutes unless me take a coast and me a pass through, you get me? Yeah, man. But we know when we hear the series and the history. People need to understand so the system itself corrupt, you know. So when we are trying to do something, or if I say we are come to a unify things, come to unify things, it is impossible, it is hard, challenging. Everything is like a challenge, you know, people, you see me? So this is one of the officer, police officer known as Dan Biggs, you see me? So yeah, condolence and this nigga, no, this guy, a police officer, I should say, Mr. Hilton, sleep in peace also. You see me so. But they are me meds, you see me so like with that said and done now. We just want to know where all of them big gun here in the community them for like what that can do. That can help nobody, you see me. All thing them take them thing they do and I just fight against them one another. Some setup thing are go on in the car. Watch on yesterday the nigga where they on the picture and me I tell us say him I wanted of like person of interest. Them say my ex soldier is it. So him go through enough tactical training and thing people, you see me. And I hear that them a deal with, you see me. So I go see what I go on still, is it? No joking thing, man, people. If you like the video, please consider subscribing. At the end of the video, this is me. At the trendy dancehall, and we have the latest. Here's me. And if you want me to do more videos, give me 100 likes on the video. You see me? Yeah, man. Enough respect out. Oh, and remember for watch your rest of videos. Is it?